welcome back to my YouTube channel. And so today I'm going to be making Nickelodeon slime. I already opened the box, so let me show you what I got. So we have this bowl and this popsicle stick to mix it. We have clear glue and white glue. And then we have two activators that are full. This is another slime kit I did, and this is Nickelodeon. And then we have this measuring cup. And then we have all four of these beads, and then we have an extra white one. And then we also have these directions to make the slime. So let's get started. Okay, so we need to make a really quick. Alright, so measure 15 ml of glue using supply measure cup and pour it into the bowl. So there's a little paper in this, so we need to get it out. And we're opening it up, okay. This is hard to open. Like, I just almost got it. Here, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so we got it open now. Now we're going to pour it into the measuring cup, 15 ml. No, it's on the other side of the slide. No. This is very interesting. Alrighty. Need a little more. Yeah, it's all 15 ml. So we have 15 ml of clear glue. Now we are going to pour it into the bowl. So, get ready. Scrape it off, scrape it off. So I scrape it off too. So that's what we're doing. So we're scraping it off into the bowl. Why is it like so tiny? Like, I don't get this. Like, yeah, so. We're doing it now. Yeah, I'm going to add a little bit more glue, and then I think we'll be fine. So, I'm sorry, directions. That's good. Yeah, that's good. Good, perfect. Alright, next step. I have all the ornaments. So, measure 20 ml of room temperature water. Okay, now we have 20 ml of room temperature water. Now we're going to pour it into the bowl. Okay, we're going to mix that up. So, oh, it looks really satisfying and cool. Okay. Next step. Make it fun. Choose your additive. I don't know. To make color slime, measure 1 spoonful of color. Measure 1 spoonful of glow in the dark. Oh, this is glow in the dark color. I already have glow in the dark slime, so. Neon. Oh, by mixing glowing color and neon color, you can create glowing colors. I'm just going to do the neon pink we have right here. So I'm actually going to open that up and then, yeah, we'll see how that goes. Ugh. Because yesterday this exploded on me. I don't want that to happen again. So That's why we did it very slowly. Now we're going to put it into the bowl with this popsicle stick. Whoa, wow. It's like really pretty, guys. I will show you. It will look really pretty when it's all finished. I want to like really neon-y. Like, look at that. I don't want to spill it, so I will show you guys at the end when the slime is finished. Oh, wait, never mind. I can show you on here. See? Look at that nice pink color. Here, I'm going to add a little more. Whoa, I just added so much of that. No, there's like barely anything in here. The paint kind of is like slime. Alrighty. That was a bad idea. Okay. We did it, and then... Don't you guys see that? That's so cool. Alright. Now, 5 ml of the activator. So we have here, and then we're doing 5 ml. There's 5 ml on this. Can't find 5 ml on this. Oh, here it is. I found it. A little more. Yeah, we're good. We have 5 ml of, this. It's the activator. Now we're going to pour it in and see the results. I'm so excited. See if it's going to come out good. Ooh. It's coming, guys. There's so much, it's so like, I don't know how to explain it. It's so neon. Really good. I mean, ugh. Yeah, that's what happens when you make slime. So, guys, look. I have my slime. I have officially made my slime. Here. I'm going to knead it and see what happened to this. I think it's a fail, guys. I'm sorry. I mean, we'll see how it's going to turn out. We did all the steps right. I don't know what happened, so I'm just going to pause this video and try to fix it. So, alright, guys. I got it together, but it's not that stretchy, so I know how to fix it. We're going to get some lotion. Alright, guys, we got lotion. Look, it's so satisfying to smush it. Alright, we're going to mix it into the slime, and I can tell it's coming out really nice now. So I'm going to be making more slime. So, since you saw the tutorial of how to make it, I'm going to pause this video and show you what the product looks like at the end. Okay, guys, we just made another slime. We're going to mix it into this slime. See, we're doing it, guys. We're mixing it, guys. We're going to see how it's going to turn out. Whoa, look at that. Look at that, baby. Look at this baby slime. This is amazing. Wow. That is baby girl. It's making this really nice pink color. I mean, whoa, guys. So, I'm going to add lotion to this now to make it a little bit better. And then I'm going to post this on Instagram, on my slime account. So, yeah. Okay, guys. Look at this slime. It is so good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.